We ordered backlinks from Semantic Links, but we realized that the backlinks have minimal to no traffic going to them, even though the links are topically or geographically relevant. We heard that backlinks with traffic going to them are better and more powerful. Are you guys able to add traffic to the backlinks you guys provide? No, we did that for a long time, Orlando, and you're right. I just finished talking about that. For a long time, we were running CTR booster traffic through our tier one links, but that once my network got to the point, I own about 1,600, almost 1,700 blogs now. No shit. It became unsustainable, unmanageable. Let's put it that way. So no, and we're not going to do that for you, but you can. You've got your links. We report all of the links. We give them to you, and we're 100% transparent about everything that we do at Semantic Links, guys. 100% transparent. So you get absolutely every link that gets placed. So if you want to run traffic through your links, by all means do it. Yes, it will help. Absolutely, it will help. So by all means, you're welcome to run traffic through your own links, Orlando. You could do that there's a number of CTR manipulation apps that you can use for that. By all means, feel free to do so. It will make the links more powerful. But as I just described in an earlier question, links without traffic will still provide value. There's no question. And what I do is what I just described. I focus for my own agency clients mostly on semantic links, which are topical and geographically relevant links. And then once per quarter, we will add in the links with traffic, one or two, depending on the budget level for that particular client. And what I found is that helps to ignite kind of all that relevance. It just makes everything perform better. That's what I do. Okay. Moving on.